A Night Before Home Improvement. 'Twas a cold winter night when I got up for some snacks. Cold air was seeping through all the small cracks. The windows, I noticed, were leaking air. It must be time for some tender, loving care. As I sit and scratch my head as it snows, it occurs to me, call NC Siding and Windows. I was a little worried at first about the fee, but then remembered, estimates are free. They came to my house and gave a fair price. I thought to myself, how awfully nice. It seems time flew by not long after I called. Professionals showed up and windows were installed. At the end of the month, I noticed my bill shrinking, astonished and joyful. This calls for some singing. I will tell all my friends I must spread the cheer. With one simple call, you can be cozy this year. As I admire the snow so pretty and white, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.